Today I'm going to be trying to make some of the Dalgona coffee that everybody is making now. I had seen it on Chefwannabe's channel, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And 2 tablespoons of sweetener or sugar. 2 tablespoons of really hot water. And I'm going to add some vanilla. I love vanilla coffee, so I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla to this, and I'm going to add a little bit in a minute. So now you just start whisking. I will leave Chefwannabe's Life's channel down in the description box so you can check out her channel and her version of this coffee. Okay, you get you a cup of ice. Then you add you some milk to the cup, like that. And then I'm going to add in some more vanilla. See how much color, how much lighter it got? I'm going to top this off. And there we go. There's the Dalgona coffee. It looks delicious. Thank you, Chefwannabe's Life. I appreciate you showing this recipe. Thank you. Everyone, I hope you're doing well out there. Have a great day. This was delicious. The best way is to stir it up and then drink it. Oh my goodness. You gotta try it if you love coffee. Thank you.